Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to link a form to Sheets now. Open the form, go straight to Responses, and click the green Sheets icon. Choose Create New Spreadsheet or select Existing File. Once linked, make sure Accepting Responses is on and enable Collect Email if tracking is required. This connects future responses automatically, so don't skip the link step. Once done, open the linked sheet to confirm a timestamp column appears. That timestamp proves the live connection between form and sheet. Now tailor the sheet for usable data. If you link to an existing file, create or select a dedicated tab and rename headers so they match your workflow. This prevents misalignment when new rows arrive. Next, add data validation, drop-downs, or conditional formatting to standardize inputs. This reduces cleanup later. Once formatted, share the sheet with collaborators, set editor or viewer roles, and protect critical ranges. These steps keep incoming responses organized and safe, while allowing collaborators to act without breaking formulas. Finish by building the automation and checks that save time. Add array formula, query, or pivot tables to summarize responses. Create filter views for focused analysis. Then set up a time-driven or on-form submit trigger or a short app script to send alerts, copy rows, or push data to other tools. Make sure sharing and permission settings allow the form to write to the sheet. If responses stop appearing, immediately verify the linked spreadsheet, confirm sheet permissions, and ensure the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.